Alright, so this is the MSTROL emergency kit that I'm gonna plan to keep in the car because it's a little too heavy for camping. But let's see what we got in here. Alright, cool pouch. I'm liking that so far. Velcro, so you can take it off if you're not American. Looks like you can strap it on your belt. Velcro as well. First aid kit. Got a lot of stuff in here. I believe that's tape. Got some gauze. 2 packs. I'm not even sure what this is for. Got some Q-tips. Emergency blanket. One of those shiny silver ones you see the rubbers with, or the runners. Bandages. Wound pad. Oh, fishing stuff too. Some hooks. That's really great. So lots of stuff in here. There's probably a couple more things. Alright, so I think this is the trowel. Pretty heavy duty. Shovel. Kind of pick here. Oh, I think you can like cut with this wire. Oh, this is like a little like multi-tool bottle opener, slicer. Instructions. It's a little like expandable baton. It is hollow. I can see all the way through it. What else we have in here? Oh, here's the pen. This feels like heavy duty. So if you need to break glass or something, this feels very heavy duty. This little strap here. It's got a little compass on it to read. I'm not sure what that is. This little piece. I'm not even sure what this is for. This might be a fire stuff. No. Okay. You need to do some eating. Got your fork here. Spoon. Got your bottle opener. Knife on the other end of this. Over light. That works. Alright, cool. Works. It's got that stabber thing here. Looks like that's the release. There you go. Another little tiny pouch with a little tiny multi-tool.
I'm so pleased with my story.
Alright, got some cord here. Little compass, thermometer. And a rain poncho. Whoop. Tactical pen trying to get away from me. Not tonight. Tactical pen, not tonight. very useful to have just in your car. So I'm going to stick this in my car and just have it just in case there's any emergencies or I might need it. Hopefully I won't need anything in here, but if I do, at least I will have it. So everything looks pretty good. Thumbs up.